along with me as I pour shampoos and conditioners and body washes and acne face wash. So right here I have my setup. I have my, how do you call it, funnels? Yeah, I have my funnel. I have my sterilizer here, and I have alcohol. And make sure the counter and everything is very sterilized and clean, matte. The bottles, I'm gonna I'm finishing up. So I use everything is sterilized, clean plate with the cup, and then we use stainless steel pots. That's how we keep our shampoos and stuff. So it's right in here, and it is ready to be poured. It's been infusing and everything like that, so it's in there. Everything is keep covered, stainless steel. And then we have our funnel here, and we're going to dip this into that, and then we pour our shampoos and close them up. The label's already on it, and once they go in, then we put them on the shelf, guys. So that's basically it. I'm not going to pour anything because it's messy, and it's going to I need my full attention. We pour everything in the bottles, and then we take them out, put them in boxes, or we put them on the shelves so they can be on the shelf for customers who shop locally. So that's basically it. So I just decided to show you guys what we do. And when we package, anything that's leftover goes into our bottle. So like if we have extra, so I had some extra coconut rose when I poured before, so I just keep them in a bottle, and then the next pour I'll just fill the bottle up so that we don't waste anything, so we don't throw things out even if it's a very small amount. So in the next day or two when we pour this, we'll fill that jar up, and that is the way we eliminate waste and stuff. So that's basically it. And we have different size funnels for different bottles because we need different size funnels for different bottles. So like for example, our acne face wash, this one, we need like this funnel to go inside a bottle because it's small. But anyways, that's basically it, guys. So on second thought, I will show you guys exactly how I pour the shampoo. It's not anything hard or anything difficult, so I'll just show you anyways. So my hands need to be very, very steady so that I don't make any errors. As you can see, the bottle need to be really, really steady, and one little touch, it can tip over, and if you don't look, you may just spill it. So this is our shelf for local customers who want to come by and shop. So we keep a stash here, and they just come by and shop. And this is what it looks like. We have all our bath bombs in the bottom there. We have jars that is ready to, that we're gonna put product in. I'm not done yet. I still have some black soap shampoo right there to be poured, and everything else stays right here. I still have one spot right there to be filled up. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna put the rest of the shampoos here, and then I have all the other stuff right here. So this is what it is, guys. This is what I do. And it's something simple, it's not very difficult. And the rest of things that is not ready to be not ready yet, they're right here. So the rest of the soaps are here, and they're on the rack, and these ones are going to be ready in a week or two, and they stay right here. And once it's ready to be packaged, it goes back onto the table. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope all your questions was answered. I love when you guys send me messages and ask me questions, and I just love to make videos because I know you guys are watching, and I appreciate it because you guys are watching and you care about what I do and you want to see more content. So I'm really happy about that. So you can go check out our Instagram page at Rustic and Classic on Instagram. And you can also go ask questions there. You can see photos and stuff like that. You can also follow me on my Instagram channel, which is Age Light Woman's Homestead. You can follow me there. And I just opened this Instagram, so I have to post more pictures of soap and my office and stuff like that. So that's coming. And so I know many of you are interested in infusions and stuff like that. So if you want to, actually not if you want to, but I think next couple of videos, since I have to do infusions anyways of my oils and shampoos and all kind of different things that we infuse in our products, I will definitely do some videos for you all when I do my infusions, so you see a little bit of how I do the infusions. So I will see you in the next video. Ciao.